Hey, fourth grade math, welcome to page 165. Okay, look what it says, borrowing when the minuend is not 1. I want you to remember something first. Let's remember what we've been doing, okay? The other day I taught you how to do this one, 1 minus 3/5. So what's the process? Can you help me remember, Keanu? What do we do? Cross out my 1 and make it what? 5 over 5 because my denominator is 5, right? So I know that I'm going to need this one to have a denominator of 5 as well. Then we just subtract. 5 minus 3 is 2, and my denominator is what, Scarlett? 5. Okay, that's what we were doing the other day, right? Great. But then what do we do on this side? The difference with this one, you guys, is, look, it has a 2. What are we going to do with a 2? Super easy. Super, super easy, okay? This one, we're converting the 1 into this. Well, look what we do. We take away 1, so we're left with how many? 1, and then we make it 4 over 4 because our denominator is 4, right? We took 1 away to make the 4 over 4, but we still have 1 left. So we have 1. So now let's subtract. 4 minus 3 is 1 over 4, and we still have 1 left. So your answer is 1 over 4. That's number 1, letter A. So go ahead and write down that procedimiento, the procedure, the process. And we're gonna do more, okay? Just make sure that you totally understand. Okay? So here we go. Let's do a lot more. I'm going to do letter B with you, letter C with you, and then I'm going to let you do letter D by yourself. And then Sabe, okay, this video is going to be like done because you guys know division. And I want to see you do it all by yourself today. Just don't forget to check that division. Okay, here we go. Let's see letter B. So I cross it out. And what do I write on the side? What number? 5, right? Because you just take away 1. Okay, and then what's my 1 going to be written as? What denominator? Fernanda? 2. So 2 over 2, right? So I have 2 minus 1 is 1 over 2 with a 5 left over. So your answer is 5 and a half. Okay, look at letter C. Cross it out. What do I put as my new number, Kiara? 7. Right? And what's my fraction? Kiana? 3 over 3. Okay, so what's my answer, Holly? 3 minus 1 is 2 over 3 with a 7. There you go. Try letter D by yourself, and we'll check it together. Okay, we ready for this? Here we go. Holly, help me with it. I cross this out. What I put as my new number? 9, because I take away 1. And what's my fraction, Keanu? 5 and 5, right? So what's my answer, Jayla? 5 minus 4 is 1 over 5 with a 9 as my whole number. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, there you go. Hey, since we have so much time, let's do one of our divisions together, right? Number 2, letter A. Let's do that one together. Okay, here we go. 51 is going to go into 256, so I'm going to put my line right there so I know that that's where my first number goes, right? Because 51 can't go into 2, 51 can't go into 25, 51 has to go into 256, right? Okay, so I look at my 5, I look over on the 1. 1 is less than 4, so I have 5 in my head. Okay, I keep the 5 in my head. So can 5 go into 2? No. 5 goes into 25, right? How many times does 5 go into 25, Keanu? 5 times. So here we go. Let's put our 5 down here and multiply. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 5 is 25. So we have 255. Okay, great. So we have 1 and we bring down a 4. What? We cannot put 51 into 14. It's way too big. So what are you going to put here? Are you going to finish and be like, okay, I'm done then. I can't put anything there. No, you got to finish the problem. 0. So then you put a 0 down here because 0 times 51 is 0. And so your remainder is 14. Okay, and then don't forget to check it. 51 times 50. And once you get your answer, you add it to the 14. That's it. Look, after all that, and our video is still under 5 minutes. Okay, cool. Have a great day. Thanks for working hard.